Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here, we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Ordering coffee and asking questions.
Good morning. Welcome to Brew & Co. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. I'd like to try your seasonal special. What exactly is the maple spice latte?
That's a great choice. It's an espresso shot with steamed milk, maple syrup, and a hint of cinnamon and nutmeg. It's very popular.
Sounds delicious. I'll take one of those. Can I have it with oat milk instead of regular milk?
Of course. There's a small extra charge for alternative milk. What size would you prefer? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And do you have any muffins that are not too sweet?
We have our blueberry muffin and a savory cheese scone. The scone is much less sweet.
I'll take the cheese scone then. That's everything, thank you.
All right, so that's one medium maple spice latte with oat milk and one cheese scone. Your total is $12.50. Will that be all for you?
Yes, that's all. I'll pay by card.
Perfect. Your order number is 20. We'll call your name when it's ready. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.